we're gonna play Puppy Playtime Chapter 1. Na, skip! Skip!
Skip that one. Shut up.
Anong to? Okay.
But you say tumahimik ka.
Bruh. Okay?
Don't say that.
Hulaan.
Oh!
Wow. Ay!
Ay, my birthday. Diba?
Din sa movie na. Playtime.
What you say?
Grab back.
Joy do.
Back ba yun o ano? Buta ko ng...
What you say again?
Right?
Don't say that.
Buta ko.
The English you say.
Don't say
Don't say that.
Pupunta ako sa computer. Pupunta ako sa computer. Mag-gaming ako.
Ay, stop.
Again?
Stop saying. Oh my God, you saying that. Your mom.
Hello?
Your mom is saying English.
It's not hap. Di ka makahap.
What you say?
Ay.
Tayo eh.
Bro, thank you. What's the time? Playtime. What the fuck?
What the God? I'm sorry.
Get me that! Come on, come on! Get me that! Okay.
Okay, Papa.
Humahaba yung hands ah.
teacher.
Humahaba yung hands.
First game this world.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. Oops.
Oh.
Oh, that's Huggy Wuggy. I did a hug, bruh. Hug.
Huggy Wuggy, give me your key.
Hug. Gotta give you a hug. Playtime.
Oh God.
That's English.
What?
Hold that kiss upper lighter, bruh. Paano yan napunta? Nakita natin yung ano, diba? Wala siyang key. Yan, kunin ko na.
Ah, you got the key. That's only that good. Why are you saying that?
Stop.
Stop saying that.
Hans ba yan ni...
That was great.
no.
Ano? You say that.
Okay!
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Secret, di mo alam yan.
Ano ko talaga? Puppy Playtime.
Oh, chapter 1.
Alam niya.
Alam niya! Di ba tinuruan mo ko? Pang pasa to. Ang galing na ni auntie, natapos. Natapos ko, B-boy. Natapos, gagi.
Oo. Try mo yung chapter 2. Baka pwede na.
Oh, tidang ko, sige.
Punta ka Google.
Sige, tidang ko.
Google.
Wait!
Di pa